Welcome back. In the previous steps, we learned how to use expressions to calculate values like this. 5 into 6 is 30. What we would want to really do is we would want to be able to print 5 into 6 is equal to 30. If I do this, what I would get is an error. Now, in this step, we will look at how to get 5 into 6 is equal to 30 printed out to the console. How do we do that? Let's get started with trying to print a simple thing. So let's say I want to print hello. As soon as I type in hello, I get an error. Until now, what we did was we were trying to type in expressions and we were printing the values of them. However, hello is not really an expression, it's text. So this hello is typically called a string value in programming languages because it represents the text HELLO. This is different from a number 5. So 5 is a number, however, hello is a piece of text. Now, I would want to print a string hello. How do I do that? There are a number of inbuilt functions in programming languages to help us do that. One of the inbuilt functions in Python which helps us to print hello is print. Can I do print hello? Does Python allow that? Let's see what would happen. Nope. It gives an error. It says missing parenthesis. So what should I do? Print open parenthesis hello close parenthesis. Will this work? Nope. Again an error. The reason why this one failed is because you would want to indicate that hello is a string. How do I indicate that hello is a string? By putting it within double quotes. Aha! Finally, I would see hello printed out. So, the things which we have done until now is we typed in print, open parenthesis, a double quote, hello, and another double quote, close parenthesis, to be able to print hello to the output. If you are confused by this whole thing, you will not be alone because there are a lot of things which are happening behind the screens, behind this simple statement. Whatever we are doing in here is called a statement. It's a line of code that we are executing. As part of the statement, we are calling a function. So this print here is a function. And what are we trying to print? We are trying to print hello. The hello which is present in here is called a parameter or an argument. So the way you can call functions typically is very simple. You need to use name of the function followed by parenthesis. Within the parenthesis, you need to pass in the parameter. Here, the name of the function is print. We would want to print, what do we want to print? We want to print hello to the output. So we say print hello and within double quotes because hello is a string. Print a string hello. That's what we are doing until now. Now let's get back to what we want to do. We would want to print 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Pause the video in here and try and think how you can use print to print 5 into 6 is equal to 30. The most basic version would be something of this kind, right? So print 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So here we are putting the entire value as a string. So 5 into 6 is equal to 30. The entire thing I'm putting it as a string and doing a print around it. And this prints 5 into 6 is equal to 30. One of the things that you need to understand here is we are not really calculating 30. We are not saying 5 into 6 and we are not calculating 30 in here. We are hard coding 30. We are directly putting the text 30 in here. That's called hard coding. In a future step, we will look at how to actually calculate the value and put it in here. In this quick step, we learned how to print 5 into 6 is equal to 30 in a hard coded way to the console. In the next step, we'll look at a few exercises and puzzles regarding what we have learned in this specific step. Until then, bye-bye.